Are you confused about whether you should buy the Organic Travelers Moisturizer or the Cetaphil Moisturizer? Well, I have used both of them and I even finished one completely. So today I'll be sharing my honest experience talking about their packaging, quantity, ingredients, texture and who each moisturizer is best suited for. So without further ado, let's get started. Hey everyone, Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. If you are new here, I create honest skincare reviews, unboxing and beauty related content to help you make informed buying decisions. If that's the kind of content you enjoy, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up and now let's dive into today's review. Okay, so now let's start with the Organic Travelers Moisturizer. This moisturizer comes in a 50 ml or 100 ml pump bottle and honestly I really like this type of packaging. It's hygienic, easy to use and dispenses just the right amount of product, so there's very little wastage. The packaging itself is very clean and minimal, and one thing I appreciate is that it includes all the important information including the ingredient list, direction of use, precautions, manufacturing details and other products information. Now talking about the texture, it has a lightweight, smooth consistency that glides effortlessly onto the skin. It spreads really well and absorbs within the seconds without leaving any sticky or greasy feeling behind. Some of the key ingredients include hyaluronic acid, which helps keep the skin hydrated, niacinamide, which supports the skin barrier and improves the overall appearance of the skin, and vitamin E, which nourish and protect the skin. I use this moisturizer regularly and I genuinely enjoyed the experience. It kept my skin hydrated throughout the day while still feeling lightweight. And here's the funny part, I actually finished the entire bottle, so if you are wondering why I'm not showing you the product in this video, that's because there's literally nothing left to show. I used every last bit of it, which honestly says a lot because I don't usually finish products unless I really like them. Overall, I think this moisturizer is a great option for people with normal, combination or oily skin who prefer lightweight hydration. Now let's move on to the Cetaphil Moisturizer. Unlike Organic Travelers, this one comes in a 100-gram tube. It's compact, travel friendly and easy to squeeze out just the amount you need. Just like the previous moisturizer, the packaging contains all the essential details including the ingredients list, direction, precautions and other important products information. The texture is definitely creamier and a bit richer than Organic Travelers, but it still blends beautifully into the skin without feeling uncomfortable. Some of the key ingredients include ceramides, which helps strengthen the skin barrier, glycerin, which attracts and locks in moisturizer, and vitamin E, which helps nourish the skin. I have been using this moisturizer consistently and my experience has been really positive. It leaves my skin feeling soft, smooth and deeply hydrated for hours. Whenever my skin feels a little dry or dehydrated, I naturally reach for this one because it provides long-lasting moisture without feeling overly heavy. So which one do I recommend? If you have oily, combination or normal skin and you are looking for a lightweight moisturizer that absorbs quickly, then I would recommend the Organic Travelers Moisturizer. However, if your skin is on the drier side or you are someone who loves rich, long-lasting hydration, then the Cetaphil Moisturizer is definitely worth considering. At the end of the day, both moisturizers performed really well. The right choice depends on your skin type and what you are looking for in a moisturizer. I hope this review helped clear up your confusion and made your decision a little easier. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments which moisturizer you are interested in trying or what product you would like me to review next. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care, bye bye.